Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my slime. So let's get started. So yeah. Oh my god, this is super good slime. It's not cloud slime, I promise it's not cloud slime. It's crunchy slime. And all the beads floated to the top. All the beads floated to the top. It's slime. It's kind of sticky, which I don't like, but it's okay. I'll do a quick ASMR, but wait. I'll be doing a quick ASMR. But wait. I'll be doing a quick ASMR. Quick ASMR. Here. I'll show you I think it will show here, but I'll do a quick ASMR. Sorry, there's a mess, so just gonna go over this. This is like a little thing down here. Sorry if this water bottle is on. So here's the quick AS. This one is kind of sticky, so I'm not going to take it out. This is a cloud slime. Oh, sorry guys, just wait for a moment. guys, I just want to show you this. That's it. So, I just want to show you this, that's it. Because I really want you to get this. This is like a toy chest. This is like storage to put like your beads in it. Like, I don't know what was that. So to put your beads in it, like crafty stuff. I put my crafty stuff here sometimes, but sometimes I put it somewhere else. But yeah, you could put beads in it and anything. And I'll show you the compartments. This compartment. This compartment. This compartment. And the last one here. Basically, it looks like drawers. It is drawers. So yeah, I got this at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I think it's Dollar Tree. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Bye guys.